How do I start this? You know, car problems are gonna be inevitable. I'm so glad I pronounced that word correctly because you guys would have been blowing up in the comment section. I don't care if you're a used car, new car, supercar, electric car, whatever car problems are gonna happen. Whether it is on the actual vehicle itself, like an internal vehicle problem, or an external force like an accident or whatever reason, tire flat, it's gonna give you a headache. And one point that vehicle is in your possession. And in this case, well, let me just show you. Hey guys, Gokish here, making more videos again, and today guys, I want to share with you a few things and also show you something that is giving me a problem. Luckily it's repairable, so without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, here beside me we have the absolutely beautiful Highlander. Love this vehicle for when I go camping, move things, carry things, haul things, whatever it needs to be. Love it, absolutely love it. However, there's a slight problem with it. Like I said, let me just show you. Let me see if you guys can get a decently good look at this bad boy. Yep, there you go. There's a very sizable rock chip and a double split that goes all the way, curves and goes all the way until like up here, as you can see. Now, why does this rock chip right here being a double split even matter? Because of the fact a double split like this one right here, where it kind of intersects and splits off two ways, normally happens when the crack is on the top glass and also the back part of the glass. If you guys don't know how most windshields are made, it's basically 3 layers. You got your first layer, which is glass. Second layer is almost like a plastic, basically flexible piece of clear material, and last layer is the glass. The second layer right here is meant so that if a rock hits the first layer, it doesn't travel through the second layer and gets in the vehicle, you know, potentially hurting you pretty much. Anything like that from penetrating through this glass. And also, it is great for keeping the glass from shattering. That's why even if you took a baseball bat to this bad boy and hit it, it's not gonna shatter and then shatter inside the vehicle. That is what that plastic layer does. 90% of the time when a rock hits a vehicle, it just shatters the first layer, leaves the third layer intact, so that is equal to a fixable crack or a fixable rock chip. Luckily for me, both pieces of glass have been shattered, resulting in a double split, intersected mess that I have here on my windshield. Essentially, you can feel the crack on the first layer, and also if you go inside of the vehicle, you can feel the crack from the inside. Which sucks for me because now I gotta replace the whole entire windshield. Not extremely happy about that, obviously. So car problems are always gonna be there, either from an external source or an internal source. It doesn't matter. All right, let me place you guys right here. It's about 2:15. I have an appointment at 3 o'clock to replace my actual windshield. In the meantime, as my appointment time to replace my windshield approaches, I have a rather interesting product to share with you guys. Completely something for the niche market. Before that, you guys already know, if I get something, I would love to show it to you guys, especially if it's a good deal and had awesome reviews. I just like to do that. I got some pretty awesome headphones. Let me take off the cover. These are the Light XIM QW07 active noise canceling headphones. Yeah, that's right, active noise canceling. I've been looking at different headphones, you know, because I want to get the Bose, but they're just a little too pricey for me to justify me getting them. If you don't know what noise canceling is, basically it takes the outside sounds, cancel it out to create this like silence, and then on top of that plays your music. Active noise canceling. That's what these are, but not for that freaking insane price. That's why I got these, had really good reviews, and I just wanted to share it. Oh, no way, look at this, guys. This seriously reminds me of the Bose. Nice little packaging, has a foam thing at the back. Very clean packaging, I like this. It reminds me so much of the Bose headphones. My friend has the Bose headphones, insane quality, love them, okay? I'm not gonna say this will beat the quality of Bose. For the price, people say they're kind of really great. It's got some literature in here. Bunch of cables in here, auxiliary cable, USB cable, you guys already know, and oh, whoa, hold on. Oh my gosh, I've used Bose headphones in the past before. This fabric right here, this leather or whatever it is, feels extremely soft and just very nice to the touch. Feels like the Bose. I like how they're like this, you know, you can lay them flat, and obviously when you're ready to go, you do that and you put them in your ears. And the quality is top notch, guys. Check out the reviews before you even think of looking at this, okay? Because like, I'm not kidding you, it feels really good in my hand. Let's get these back. Oh, whoa. I just turned on the active noise canceling. Here's the button right here. You do not have to have any music. It's weird. It's weird talking. It's really weird talking. You do not have to have music, guys. Remember that. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you haven't tried some active noise canceling headphones, they are a different experience. It takes the sound from outside and it just cancels it out. It makes it dull so that your music sounds much better. This thing is really, really awesome. I'm actually, I don't know what to say. I'm just loving this. You gotta check it out. Links are in the description below. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show my friend these. He's gonna hate the fact that I paid like way less than he did for his, so. Okay, so for my next product, you guys already know how much I absolutely love LEDs. Love them. If I could fill my entire vehicle up with LEDs, I would. I'm not gonna do that because it kind of would look a little bit tacky, but thinking about those Tokyo Lamborghinis and how they light up their Lamborghinis with, no, maybe. But here's the actual product. It comes in a nice little box like this. You guys already know, if it comes in a nice little box like so, it's most likely gonna be high quality, especially if it has magnets on the box. Look at that. If a company takes time in their package, if a company takes time in their packaging, they're gonna take time in their product. Let's take the first piece of literature off. Basically, it says integrated safety lighting for the vehicle. Basically, what this is extra lighting for your turn signal, daytime running lights, and or backup lights. So basically, it's extra lighting on your vehicle. I've never seen this before. You gotta click on the link. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. You gotta check it out. It is pretty interesting. And I'm always scouring through Amazon trying to find the next cool thing, maybe the next thing that everyone might be using. That nobody knows but everyone wants or something. So I picked this bad boy up, and here's actually how it looks in the package. I guarantee you've actually never seen this on YouTube, and that's because nobody really likes LEDs like I do. And here's how they look like. So what I'm gonna do to show you how they are supposed to look is unbox this bad boy, show you what comes in the package, place it on the vehicle, show you how it's supposed to look. So it comes with the 2 LEDs right here. So let me put these down to the side. Comes with other accents as well. Comes with a nice little module right here. Some nice little quick connectors right here. Handsomely enclosed wiring. Here we go, here's another one. And it's almost plug and play. Now when you're doing a mod like this, especially a mod that's, you know, there for universally for many cars, it's normally not going to be fully plug and play. For the most part it is. You just plug, you know, most of the wires in these little, in the modules and stuff. The only thing that is not plug and play are these 5 little wires right here. And I'm going to show you what each one does. So now that you've seen what's in the actual packaging, let me just hook this bad boy up and show you what I'm talking about. Let me do a quick intermission. It's almost 3 o'clock. Let's go get this windshield replaced. Let's do it. We're gonna take care of you, Highlander. We're gonna take care of you. Alright, quick update. I'm at the Toyota dealership actually because prices were kind of outrageous, but it doesn't matter. Check out this Avalon. What do you guys think of this Avalon interior? Now would you look at that? Get it done, get it right. That's what I'm talking about. Glass is brand new on this bad boy. Did cost a bit, but what can I say? As long as it's done, right? Okay, so back to where we were. I just laid out everything what comes in the actual box nice and neatly right here. As you can see, here are the LEDs that I talked about. Here are the little accents that I talked about. Some wiring right here, some more wiring right here, module, and also the quick connectors. As you can see, you have 3 different ways of actually hooking this bad boy up. And it creates a reverse light, daytime running light, and also turn signal light. Everything will be in the kit for you guys to understand and do this yourself. It's really not that difficult. It just might take some time. That's it. But the results are pretty cool, I gotta say. So they kind of go like this. They you know, they have 3M tape on the back, as you can see, and basically you just kind of stay on the side of your door like so. Really cool, really nice design. I've never seen anything like this before. And especially if you don't have, like, you know, side turn signals like this would be a pretty insanely cool investment. Okay, so now to make sure you guys understand how the wiring works, I've laid the entire wiring setup out for you right here. You have your first LED bulb that connects to the module right here. You have your second LED bulb that connects to the module right here. And then you have this other port with this ribbon cable right here. Now this ribbon cable goes all the way to these 5 wires right here. Instructions right here will tell you what each wire is for. The red wire goes to the ACC, the yellow goes to the turn light, the black wire goes to the negative, the other yellow wire goes to the turning light, and the white wire right there goes to the reverse light. So all of these wires can be easily spliced into your vehicle using these connectors right here. So the wiring is pretty simple for this project. So let's install this bad boy right now. Holy, these look really nice. Look at that, guys. That is just absolutely absolutely beautiful. It looks so OEM, so stock. Like seriously, look at that, is so cool. Really loving this design, guys, I have to say. As you can see, the wires are hidden. Obviously you can do a better job. There's many ways you can hide wire. You can take out your original light. I know a lot of BMWs and stuff have like lights right here. You can take your original bulb out and wire it through there, or you can do it this way. This method is just go through the door hinge and don't worry about any of holes or anything. Look at that, that's beautiful. I did not expect it to be that awesome looking. So this right here, white, is a dim white. It's you know, the lights up back here too as well, as you can see. It's a dim color only for daytime running. So when you're driving normal, this is how it's gonna be. It's kind of cool, I gotta say. It's kind of chill, it's kind of neat, it's kind of different. I've never seen it on a vehicle, but still looks freaking nice, as you can see. However, what I'm gonna do is plug the white wire into the 12-volt power source, and the white wire is for reverse light. So let me show you how they look. Already I can tell it's a lot brighter. You can see the light is coming out from here. It's a lot brighter than before, and it's shines right there. And I'm gonna turn off the light and show you what I'm talking about. Let's go turn off some lights here. There we go. And as you can see, the light, look how, oh my, whoa, that is insanely bright, guys, just from that little thing. There's no like camera tricks or anything. That light is from this guy right here. But look how bright these things are, guys. They're insane. They're insane. Look at that. And so basically what this is allowing you to do is, you know, have a field of vision that's right here and on the other side. Obviously, when you hook this guy up to the other side, you have two fields of vision. And on top of that, your normal reverse lights are gonna be back there. They're gonna be lighting up this entire back area, guys. Entire back area. Pretty much your entire car is gonna have a lot of light because of your headlights as well. So that is really awesome. I've never seen this before, but like I said, this is when you put it in reverse, this is how it's gonna look. Really interesting, really different. Let me turn on some lights here. Let me show you. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. So like I said, guys, this is really looking awesome. Now what I'm gonna do is show you how the turn signals look. So let's get to that. Okay, I've hooked up the turn signal wire, and this is how the turn signals look, okay? Obviously, they're gonna be flashing, you know what I mean? But in this case, I just hooked it up raw power. I just wanted to see how these look, and look at this. This is beautiful as well, guys. It looks so OEM, it's not even funny. So when, you know, when these turn signals are working, this turn signal is working, your tail lights are working, your front headlights, turn signal, everything is just in unison. Just, you know, works really well, and it's gonna be blinking nice and bright, orange, amber, whatever you want to call it, turn signal lights. Okay, this is really nice. So like I said, right now I just hook it up to raw power. I just want to see how they look, and this looks very OEM, guys, I have to say. Especially if you don't have these, you know, these turn signals right here. This comes in very handy. You want them to know that you're turning to this lane. This light comes in very handy. This, you know, mirror mounted turn signal light comes in super handy. If you don't have that, this can be your solution, guys. So now a person on that lane over there will know that you're coming into this lane, know that, you know, not to take your space pretty much. Very awesome idea, guys. I have to say I'm loving this so far. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about this. I might actually consider installing this on another vehicle of mine, because this is really nice. I love it. That is not the only function you saw. It is a daytime running light, backup lights, and also amber turn signals. Really nice, guys. I'm truly surprised. I mean, I hope you are too, because in real life it looks super clean. It looks super cool and super OEM in real life, guys. That's why I'm just saying I hope that it, you know, the camera does it justice, but it's really cool. It's never seen this before, and if you want to do a simple quick mod but look super nice, this might be a really cool option, especially for the reverse lights, guys. That really impressed me. I mean, seriously, what can I say? These things are really cool, and you guys already know me. I love LEDs, so I want to show different types of LEDs to everyone, and I'm loving it. I'm gonna leave the links to this bad boy in the description section of the video below. You guys already know it. Really awesome product. I'm loving it, and I know you will love it. Whew, it's been a long day, guys. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. But, you know, taking care of the windshield and also doing all this, Took some time, it's been a long day. As you can see, the sun is already down, but I'm happy to make this video for you guys. Make sure if you have any questions or comments, Facebook me, DM me on Twitter, Instagram, whatever you need, or even leave a comment in the description section of the video below, and I'll try to make sure to get to them as soon as possible. But there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping around here. Make sure to click on it for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, keep your share saying thanks for watching and peace.